let's talk about inhalational anesthetics today. So, which is the one which is inhalational anesthetic of choice for induction? So, for induction, it is going to be sevoflurane. Also, if we talk about day care surgery or we talk about liver disease, ठीक है, तो कुछ liver का problem है, न्यूरो सर्जरी अगर आपको करना है, अस्थमा का पेशेंट है, एवरीवेयर द इंडक्शन एजेंट ऑफ चॉइस इज सीवोफ्लोरिन. तो लिवर हो गया, लंग हो गया, ब्रेन हो गया, एवरीवेयर वी हैव टू यूज़ सीवोफ्लोरिन. Then when we talk about elderly, okay, or we have or the patient has got some renal disease, in those cases we have to ask the patient to take matlab we have to give the patient desflurane. Then what about cardiac disease? So in cardiac disease isoflurane is going to be preferred. Okay, also DES apart from used in elderly and renal disease, in obese patients also desflurane is the one which is preferred. Okay, so SIVO is going to be used for induction, daycare surgery, liver, brain and lung. So liver में sevoflurane is used in liver disease, in neurosurgeries and in asthmatics. DES is going to be used in elderly. तो D से you can remember D elderly. इन किडनी का प्रॉब्लम, सो किडनी जो होता है डी, अगेन वी हैव टू गिव डेस. एंड इन ओबीज पीपल, ओके, सो ओबीज पीपल में भी डेस्फ्लूरेन देना है. देन विच इज़ द एनेस्थेटिक एजेंट विच इज़ मोस्ट पोटेंट? सो मोस्ट पोटेंट इज गोइंग टू बी मिथॉक्सीफ्लोरेन मोर देन हैलोथेन, and least potent is going to be nitrous oxide more than desflurane. The one which is epileptogenic is going to be E for E, so enflurane is the one which is epileptogenic. Okay, now which is the one which is going to be the most nephrotoxic? So nephrotoxic is going to be methoxyflurane because of lot of fluorine compounds. And when we talk about hepatotoxicity, it is going to be halothane, which is the most hepatotoxic.